I was talking to somebody recently and they were having some difficulty with the times. These times of ours are quite trying. So I said that I would record a short meditation. So just find a way to sit that's quiet for you and comfortable. It could be in a chair, it could be on the ground. We didn't need laying down if that's more comfortable. But just take a moment and get planted. Just settle yourself down, wriggle around into the ground. And then take long, slow, smooth inhalation and exhale completely. Feeling the breath coming in and down, as though you could inhale through the nostrils. Feel the air coming into the throat, down into the lungs. As you exhale, you might actually feel the belly release backward, pressing the air back out. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. And then just take a moment and notice how you feel. Imagine that you could just root down into the ground, as though they were roots of a tree reaching into the earth. And the further you go down, the more access you'll have to that life force, prana, chi, nagabatin. And then as you settle down, as though you're rooted into the ground, you might begin to feel something, perhaps stirring at the base of the root of your core, perhaps at the bottom of your perineum, as though some small something, that life force, could begin to bubble and rise. As you root down into the ground, you might actually feel the sensation of that essence rising upward through your core, as though you were a tree reaching up toward the sky. And deep down in the roots, drawing that life force, imagine that it could just rise up, as though it were rising through you. It might actually make you feel as though you could sit up taller. Not effortfully, but effortlessly. As though the sensations of rooting down into the ground could actually help you rise upward toward the sky. Inhale, exhale. And you might notice that that life force, that essence, chi, prana, might begin to feel as though it could rise upward through you, as though it would rise upward toward the top of your head, the fontanelle, the fountain of light. And as you root down, you might feel that you also rise up toward the sky, rooted into the earth, rising toward the heavens, planted, rooted, seated. Long, slow, soft, deep inhalation. Long, slow, soft, deep, quiet exhalation. And if thoughts come through your mind, don't try to push them away. Let them come as though they were clouds passing in the sky. Bring your attention back to the breath. Slide inside your own breath and relax. Long, slow, soft, deep inhalation. Long, slow, soft, deep, quiet exhalation. Now, for just a little more, see if you can relax more. Let go more. Soften everywhere. Now, before you come back, just notice how you feel. And if you could gently open your eyes if they're closed, can you imagine that you were like a young baby seeing the world for the first time? There's just colors, sounds, but everything is new and enchanting. And again, just notice how you feel right now, right here. Namaste.